Nigeria. Saraki. Saraki.
PDP power, 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 ìmọ̀lẹ̀ dé. Àwa kan sára sọ́lọ́run ọba. Àwa kan sára sọ́lọ́run ọba. Ọba tí ò dójú àdúrà tiwa. Àwa kan sára sọ́lọ́run. Come on, óyá óyá, àwa kan sára sọ́lọ́run ọba. Àwa kan sára sọ́lọ́run ọba. Ọba tí ò dójú àdúrà tiwa. Àwa kan sára sọ́lọ́run ọba. Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́. Sing. Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́. Wow. Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́. Mo dúpẹ́, mo dúpẹ́, mo dúpẹ́. Mo wá dúpẹ́ o. Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́. Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́. Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́. Mo dúpẹ́, mo dúpẹ́, mo dúpẹ́. Please be seated, please. Thank you. Because of time, I'm going to go ahead and declare today. Today is the day that the Lord has made, and we shall rejoice and be glad in it. Allah, Allah, Ebola Tobi Loba, Eyangwa Nobi. Praise the Lord. Well, what can I say about my brother here? For the past, we are talking about 30 years. I'm talking about more than 45 years. We have a lot in common. Because I've known him for a long time. And I just feel sorry for other presidential candidates when they come over here. They will tell me, we know that Bukola Saraki, Senator Bukola Saraki is your brother. I said, what do you want me to do about it now? He's my brother, please clap for him. I said I cannot deny him because we are gone a long way back. Way, way back. Even when I was in the US, he would come over and visit me. We go out. I remember one time he came so late. He was so hungry. He came and called me and sneak out. I had to take him to, go and eat. So a lot of people don't know the history. Okay? His father, Babonoye, when he was in the Senate, my father was in the Senate too. And after that, they work hand in hand together. When they used to stay in Festac, that time we used to go there together and talk and everything. We never knew we were going to be senator. He never knew he was going to be governor. I never knew I'd be governor because they stole the last one. Because I still believe that stolen mandate will be reclaimed very soon. So after that, Governor Iseka, he became governor. After that, he became governor. After that, he became senator. My late brother became senator. And for me too, I never knew it's going to be like that. But I became a senator. And when I was senator, it was our Senate president. The father was the leader of the Senate. No, not the House. The Senate that time. That time in 1979, a leader, they had one because they have what they call A2. You understand what I'm saying? They have what they call, you listen to your leader. When Baba Saraki, Babuloye, when he's talking, people listen. And every time I see him, I'll be looking at him. I'll be so proud of him sitting there as our Senate president. I'll be talking to myself, that's my brother right there, man. And see, he is a very calm person. If you notice, if you know him, a lot of people, they underrate him. Very, very smart. These are the type of person we need in Nigeria. Because if we have him as a president of Nigeria, what are we looking for? Are you talking about exposure? Are you talking about integrity? Are you talking about compassionate person? Are you talking about somebody that has a fear of God? That he will not let anybody cheat us. When we were in the Senate, we were blackmailed. He said, no, this is not right. He called us and said, look, if you're going to, people voted for us, masses voted for us, we have to do their bidding. That's the only offense. That is the only offense, my brother. That's the only offense that he got. He's facing so many prosecution. I would look at him and say sometimes, so how are you coping? He said, I'm in politics. It's going to be over. At the end of that tunnel, there will be light. He's always advising me. And you see, I love him so much that I always wish him well. That I feel like if he's in US, there's no question. He's already a president. He's already a president. But I believe Nigeria, gradually, slowly but surely, we shall get to that promised land. I don't hear amen. I said we shall get to that promised land. So that God will give us the leader that we want. A leader like Senator Abubakar, Bukola, Saraki, by the special grace of God. Everybody know how Dr. Bukola Saraki has contributed a lot to, yes, our project in Osun. Please clap for him. Because of the relationship that we have, it's always with Osun. You will think that it's from Osun. He will fly down here even when we have crisis. No other leader has ever done that. Yes, exactly. Can I hear amen to that? Yes. No other leader has ever done to that. So if anybody coming over here and saying already that, oh, what are we coming to do here? We are not saying that we're not going to, you can come and pay us a courtesy visit too. But I will not deny my brother. Come on. Because of the contribution, he has contributed a lot. Even when I was in APC briefly, I won the primary. They cheated me. He stood by me. He said he doesn't like cheating. He will make sure they don't cheat me. And I told him, I said, bro, they're calling me to cross over to PDP. And that is where we came from. So I'm waiting for you. I will go there. He said, no, don't go. Don't. I said, bro, I have a vision. You will come and meet me there. I've gone. For me. You know, let me tell you something. A lot of people don't know that me, they just look at me that because I dance, I dance around, I don't know what I'm doing. That is my strength. That is my strength. When I'm dancing, I'll be praising my God. People will be laughing. And I keep winning. Hello? I keep winning, man. So they don't know my secret. I'll be inside my room, I'll be praising my God. I'll be dancing. They don't know that that's my strength. And I'm going to keep doing that. You know? I remember one time that, sent us, thank you very much can you imagine? For a first timer, I was behaving as if I am a ranking senator. Where my brother, the office that Sherupanwo occupied, is facing his own office. I don't have to come through the front door. I will just say, open the door, back out. I'm just going. I say, what's up, brother? We talk, and I go back to my office. I just have it like that. So a lot of people are even scared of me. So the time that we were going to distribute this committee and everything like that, he was going to give me the chairman of communication. Amen. Anywhere you go, you will find favor. Amen. Because you are a good man. Amen. These are the kind of people that we need in Nigeria. And God will open people's heart to see through. It shall be well with you. Amen. Or should people will be praying for you? Amen. We know at the end of the day, we shall get to that promised land. Amen. I thank you very much because of the time. And I love you. Everybody say Saraki. Saraki. Baboloye. Very soon, we will reclaim Kwara. As we are going to reclaim Osun, so shall it be. Thank you very much, and I love you. Welcome.
My brother, the PDP gubernatorial candidate for Osun State, and the incoming governor.
All the way.
The future first ladies of Osun State, our sister, members of my delegation, stakeholders of Osun State, senatorial aspirants, and everybody here. This is home for me. And I will always stand with the Adeleke family. He has said it all. We are a family. This is not starting our time. It's so interesting. I was talking to the chairman of my presidential council. He too was in the Senate the same time as Baba Oloye and also said Baba Adeleke. See how it is today we're in the Senate together. And today, since then, we have been together. We stand for many things. When you have character, when you have pedigree, when you love your people. And when you love your people, it's not something you do overnight. It's something you are born into and you learn. To whom much is given, much is expected. I pray that by July 16th, by July 15th, I'll be here. And by July 16th, we'll be celebrating together. We know they cheated us, but God's time is the best. I can feel it. That this time around, it's going to happen. Let me thank the delegates that we met. Let me thank you for standing, for appreciating all the kind words you've said. Today in Nigeria, we need the right kind of president. We need to repair the damage that has been done by this party. The same way I'm sure you will repair the damage that's happening here. You're not going to be governor for any personal gain. You're going to go and serve and make this country better. We must work together to repair this country. Let me appeal to all our delegates. Let us go and bring a president that will save this country, that will work for Nigerians, work for the people. I have been tested many a times, and with friends and brothers like Senator Ademola who stood with me. Not only him, may Almighty Allah continue to grant Senator General Fidaus. Bismillah, Allahu Samad. Yam Yalid Walam Yulad Walam Yakud Lahu Kufuwan Ahad. May you continue to rest on General Fidaus. We were together in the Senate, and then he joined us too. As he said, he was a fresher, but everybody knew the special relationship. He was like a ranking senator. And by God's will, you will become the governor. I also, though he's never here, he always likes to be in the background. I must also recognize and appreciate the support that my friend, brother has given, Dr. Chama and Dr. Gigi has given his brother. You, the family, the Delegates family, have shown what truly it means to give back to society. What you have given to Osun State, 8 years as governor, would not in return give. You even give more to the state. This is a selfless service that we need today. Fresh leadership. Leadership that will put the country and put the state first. For the people of Osun, this time round, please defend your vote so that to 2022, we'll have the right kind of governor. I want to make my commitment. I will continue to work together. You'll be in the governor, I'll be in the villa, and we'll work together for the interest of this country, and we'll make Nigeria better. I thank you all. Thank you so much.
PDP Secretary, they seem to be so in love with the person of Dr. Bukola Saraki.
Yes.
The other candidates, that their profiles seem very intimidating. I mean, how optimistic are you that Osun people would be choosing Dr. Bukola Saraki over every other candidate that they've had?
Well, I'm sorry, I don't know what you mean by the profile intimidating. Here is somebody who has been a governor for 8 years, and of course, a Senate president. So he has an impeccable record too. His record is very intimidating. So, and I believe that while he was a Senate president, he did very well. He carried everybody along, and when you talk about pedigree, he has pedigree. So I believe that is why Osun people love him, and he's always supporting Osun people in any way. Anytime we are doing something, he'll be here, to support us. So I believe that's why Osun people love him.
All right, so do you see this swinging around in his favor in the primaries?
Well,
Who has the largest number of delegates, sir?
Osun, by the special grace of God, I believe that there's nothing that God cannot do when we get there. And I believe as he's going around, we are, listening to what people are saying. They love him because when he talks, people listen. And I believe that, by the special grace of God, anything can happen.
They're so sure that you are the candidate that they need.
I've been with Osun PDP chapter in fighting to ensure that we have a PDP government here. I've always shown solidarity with them, being close to them. And they also see in me the kind of leadership that they believe is good for this country. Young, vibrant, active, someone that has the capacity, and someone that can bring in investment that's necessary for this country. The leadership that we need in this country today is one that will bring progress, that will unite, and more importantly, that knows from day one what he needs to do and what he wants to do. People of Osun are upwardly mobile, they are educated, they are exposed, they know what they need in making progress, and they see that in me. We've been together for a long time, and I believe that is why they have confidence that once I am president, that definitely that will be good for Nigeria and also good for Osun State. First of all, as you know, today, both PDP and APC, you are good journalists, you have the facts. I'm the only aspirant that's had 8 years experience on the executive arm of government, who's been in the private sector, and also who has been chairman of the National Assembly. There's no other person with that kind of experience. And today, whether you are talking about having executive experience, whether you are talking about restructuring, which you need constitutional review and amendment for somebody who has headed parliament, whether you are talking about uniting Nigerians, because you know the National Assembly is a place where you are first among equals. So you must have capacity of bringing people together. And whether you understand how business works so that the business people can invest, somebody who has been in private sector. There's no aspirant that has all those three key experiences that you need today in Nigeria. And that's why I believe that I'm the best man for the job today.
One last question.
Yes.
These Oshogo people seem to love you. How does that make you feel ahead of the elections?
I feel very confident. I believe that an energy, a movement is carrying along. People are beginning to identify with myself, my candidature. People are seeing seriousness. People are seeing energy. People are excited. And with 10 days to the primaries, I'm getting very excited that we're getting close to the finish line. Thank you so much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.